What is my most common pipe burst call? It is by far the frost-proof hose bib. When I turn the faucet off, the water actually stops way back here. The water stops well within the insulated portion of the building where it's warm and cozy. After I turn it off, the excess water drains out and whammy, it's frost-proof. Since it's frost-proof, you don't even have to put a faucet cover on it in freezing weather. Wait, hold on 1 second. It's frost-proof. Why does it burst? It's simple. When a hose is left on it, it holds water in this tube and it doesn't drain out like it should. Whenever it's cold outside, the water then freezes, the pipe bursts, and it looks like this inside the wall. The good news is it won't leak like this all the time. It only leaks when you turn the spigot on. The bad news, it's still a leak. Leaks are bad. They cause water damage and mold. Now, if you have a burst spigot, here's how you fix it. Turn the water supply to the spigot off. Open the spigot and drain the system down. Cut the water line. Remove the screws that hold the spigot to the house. Out with the old and in with the new. Secure the spigot with exterior screws because they won't rust over time. Attach the water line. Make sure the spigot has a slight downward tilt so the water can drain out. Turn the water supply to the spigot back on. Check the spigot for proper function and leaks.